is analysis of assessment 1 based on the chapter Living World. Let's see the first question. Reproduction is synonymous with growth in which of the following set of the organisms? We have already discussed that in unicellular organisms, growth and reproduction are same because they reproduce by cell division. So the option here is A, because in all the other options there is one multicellular organism. Next question, growth in living organism. We know that it is from inside, that is intrinsic growth. So the answer is option B. The term biology was introduced by Lamarck and Treviranus. The living organisms can be unexceptionally distinguished from the non-living things on the basis of their ability for interaction with the environment and progressive evolution. Why not the other options? So we discussed that reproduction, growth and movement are not the defining factors of living organisms. And responsiveness, though it is a part of irritability, here they have mentioned only the responsiveness to touch. So that is not the right option. The right answer is option A. Reproduction cannot be an all-inclusive defining characteristic of living organism because, let's read the options. All living organisms do not show growth. Many organisms do not reproduce. Non-living things show reproduction. All living organisms show small period of reproductive phase in their life. The options are a bit confusing, but let us go for the best option. So the most appropriate option here is many organisms do not reproduce. We know that many of the living organisms which is sterile do not reproduce. So the right option is option B. Biological organization starts with. This is also a bit confusing. Cellular level, organismic level, atomic level and submicroscopic molecular level. So first we all go for the cellular level, but remember that basically all cells are made of 4 forms of molecules like carbon, protein, lipids and nucleic acids. So these form the basic organization of all organelles. Since they are in molecular level, the right option is submicroscopic molecular level. Next question, in which of the following metabolic reactions take place? In living organisms, we know that metabolic reactions occur. Both in living and non-living organisms, no. Because in non-living organisms, no metabolic reactions occur. In cell-free system, yes. In vitro system. In vitro system is where the reactions occur outside the cell. It can be a cell-free system, but the reactions are living reactions. So the option, both A and C. The sum total of all chemical reactions occurring in our body is metabolism. So what about the other options? Let's see what homeostasis is. Homeostasis is the ability of an organism to remain stable or trying to keep their body stable when there are external changes in the environment. So that is homeostasis. And irritability is nothing but response to stimulus. And catabolism is a part of metabolism which is called as breaking down reaction. So the right option is metabolism. Which one of the following aspect is an exclusive characteristic of living things? Yes, it is perception of events happening in the environment and their memory. All the other options can or cannot be an aspect of living thing, but they ask for exclusive characteristics. So the right option is perception of events happening in the environment and their memory. Which of the following is self-conscious? In fact, human being. Hope the questions and the right options are clear to you. Thank you.